Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're checking out the Flex Ops package in the back of a 2013 Nissan Rogue. This is the Flex Ops package. Now, we often show this in larger trucks, and I wanted to show you in this video how it would work if you have a smaller car or SUV. Again, this Nissan Rogue is a 2013, and you can see that there's a little bit of, it's a smaller cab. So if you have people in the back seat and you're really loading up the Flex Ops package, it can be a little bit tighter, but it would still work. You know, if I had passengers back here, I'm sitting back here and, you know, my knees may hit the extra bags back here. So again, you may not want to load it up a lot if you have passengers in the back seat. But if you're usually using your back seat mostly for storage, this is actually a really nice option. So a little bit about the Flex Ops package is that it is not sewn to the seat covers. If you want to have this sewn to the seat covers, then you need to order the Special Ops package when you're ordering your seat covers, and then it would be sewn in. This one right here that we're looking at is actually a removable option where you can take your headrests out like this, and then you can take this whole, so you can take your headrests out, and then you could take this whole thing on and off right here. So there's this bar right here that goes up, and then your headrests go in right here. So it really works best if you have removable headrests. And if you have molded headrests, contact us and we have some other options for you. But best if you have removable headrests, and then you can load this up right here. There's also a strap that goes down below in front of the seat and kind of into the crevice of your seat right there to kind of keep this from swinging out. And you can carry a lot of stuff inside here. There's 12 total storage pockets, 6 on each side, with MOLLE webbing as well, that you could put on additional carriers like this MOLLE pouch. And I have some first aid supplies inside this right now. Now, those 12 pockets, inside those 12 pockets, 4 of them form your horizontal rifle slings going across like this. Now, you can see in this Nissan Rogue that when the seats are a little bit further back, how I have it right now, you could carry 2 rifles going across. Now, if you have them farther up, most likely you're just going to be able to use your upper rifle scabbard right up here, okay? And these slide in and out. There's pocket openings right here that open up, and then they could close back up like that. So if you're not using it for rifle storage, it can also just be a nice large pocket for additional storage for jackets, iPads, other electronics, other gear, camping gear, survival gear like that. Now, there also is a really nice pocket that we're displaying right here. It's actually a hidden pocket. This pocket originally was designed for longer crossbows, but I found that in the Nissan Rogue, the standard bow pocket that normally is on the underside right here. So this standard is the bow pocket. You normally put the bow inside this pocket right here, but I found that in this Nissan Rogue, it was not tall enough. The cab was actually not tall enough for me to put a bow inside here, and it was hitting the top. So what I did is I actually pulled out this pocket right here that unravels, and it kind of tucks underneath there when you're not using it. This is a longer pocket, so if you have some longer storage items, and again, in this Nissan Rogue, it worked best for the bow right here, that then you could put the bow up right there, and then there's this upper strap right here to clip it in, okay? So quick access for your bow or longer storage items. You could put hiking poles, even like a tactical shotgun. Shorter rifles could go vertically as well inside that one. And if you're using that as some vertical storage, most likely you're not going to use up your MOLLE webbing right here because it needs some space right there. But you still could use some of these pockets that are on the underside underneath here, inside here. So I'll show you that over here. This is where I like to store gloves, in some of these smaller pockets down here. And so all in all, 12 total storage pockets, a lot of great storage. Again, it's a removable Flex Ops package for storage. Great setup if it's something that maybe you already have seat covers or you don't think you need seat covers. We think everybody should have seat covers, but we're biased. But if you don't want to order this sewn into your seat covers, then look for this Flex Ops package, and that would be added on top as a separate unit. It's sold separately from seat covers because it's not sewn into it. So contact us if you want more info on the Flex Ops package. See more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.